Hello everyone, and welcome to this new video of practice using Python and streamlit. So this is the fourth video, okay? So this one is about to make plots, okay, using different libraries. So yeah, let's get started. So here's the eighth practice. So plot a line chart of a random 1D table, okay? Random 1D array or table, okay? So here is the solution. As you can see, there is the plot, and if I reload the page, there is another plot. So as you can see, it is working just fine with Streamlit using Python, and it's quite fast. So only by pressing the R key, I'm getting different plots, okay? So here's the code solution. Only few lines of code. So from NumPy import random, we are going to use this library to generate the random numbers, and then x equals random dot randint from 0 to 5. So we do have 4 on a range from 0 to 5. It means we have the zeros and we have the fourth, the, the 4. So we do have, and the values are between them. As you can see here, there is a 2, there is a 1, there is here a 3. So it's between 0 and 4. Okay, it's on this range. So the last one is excluded. Okay, and then I have the length of the array is going to be 10. So this is 10 over here. It's starting from 0 to 9. And I've made a video using that if you want to check it. I put variables, okay, it will be generated automatically. So this is only the first step in order to keep going up. So, and after that, I wrote the st.line chart x, okay, in order to plot the chart. Only those few lines of code gave me this beautiful plot, and it will be random. So each time I press the R key, the plot would be different from the previous time, okay? So this is the eighth practice. And now let's jump to the ninth practice. So in here, we are going to plot a bar chart of a random 1D table or array. Okay, it's going to be 1D array. So here's the solution. As you can see here, here's the solution. Ninth practice, where is it? Here is the solution. Yeah, here is the solution over here. So here's the solution. So as you can see here, there is a bar chart already plotted for us. Okay, those are the numbers that those are the arrays. Okay, on the first one there was 3, and then 3, and then 4, and then 1, then 2. As you can see, those are integers. Okay, because over here I've put random dot rand int. It means to get only the random integers, okay? Nothing more, nothing less than integer. For here, there is the float, 1.5. So as a practice for you, try to hide those things and only make 2, 1, only the integers, okay? This is a good practice, I think. So yeah, so let's keep going. So this is the solution. And then here's the code solution. So I've done the same thing as the previous one, only over here I have set st.barchart. On the previous example, on the previous practice, I put st.linechart. On this practice, I've put st.barchart, and it did the job just well. Okay. So now let's jump to the 10th practice. Okay. So on this practice, plot an area chart of an array of a 2D table. Okay. Uh, of Plot an area chart of an array of a 2D array Okay. So let's change it. So this is 10th practice. Chart of a 2D array. So here it is. Of a 2D array. Okay, so here is the solution. As you can see here, only by pressing the R key, the plot would change, okay, automatically. And as you can see, there is the intersection between two plots, and this is where it's good, okay. You can play with those colors and those things, and also it will be a good practice if you do it. So how I've done that, I've done the same thing, only here on the random rand int. So from 0 to 5, so it means on a range from 0 to 4. The random numbers will be on the range from 0 to 4. And then there is dimension of the array. So over here, it means 10 to 2, okay? So it means 10 arrays, 10 rows and 2 columns. 2 columns and 10 rows, okay? So yeah, so there is here 10 rows and 2 columns. So and it was working just fine, okay? So I've done that. So it does also print to the arrays. This sd.area chart, it does print everything. Same thing with the line chart and the bar chart. They both do print all the things, okay? So now let's keep going to the 11th practice. So on the 11th practice, we are going. It's asked us to use Matplotlib, to plot a 1D chart. Okay. So here is the solution. As you can see here, there is the plotting of the chart that is on an image, not like this one over here. The Plotlib of the array. By using Plotlib, we will get an image. It will be more practical, and yeah, so both have good and bad things on them. For example, this one I can't for example take as an image and share it with the people that I work with. But this one over here, it's an image, it's more easier. But at the end, this is a web application, so it would be more cool to only send the link, okay, the link of the shared data, okay, because of streamlit, okay, and its API. So over here, it's a flexible chart. You can zoom in and zoom out, but this one over here is a static image. So you can copy it, you can save it as a format, as a PNG form, okay? So yeah, so here is the code solution. As you can see here, I've imported the matplotlib.pyplot to plot the chart as PLT for shortcut. And then I put assigned the randoms doing this function over here, x equals random dot randint, and pass to it the parameters. So the starting from the rand is 0, and the last element will be 5. 5 will be excluded, and the array would have 10 rows, okay? 10 elements. And then I've used this function over here, fig virgule x equals plot.shipplot. So I've called this function in order to do all that. And then I appended the x. So there's a redundance. Let me show you a quick thing that I've done that. So over here, so this over here, there is the fig equals ix virgule column, because on the explanation I think I've added more steps in it. So let's delete all those. And then let's jump to the explanation. So as you can see here, it's more, no, I didn't. So it's more clear, it should be more clear. Okay, so first the py, let's actualize it. So yeah, so I've used this function over here. So let's do this quickly. Let me show you. So we have used this ix and fig to get the variables out of subplots, okay? And then I've appended the array to the hist, the ix.hist, so the things that we are going to draw. And then I've plotted the figure, because the figure is linked to the ix, the returns of this method, okay? So as you can see here, so let me show you on the fourth. As you can see here, it is plotted, and each time I reload the page, the graph would change. So this is it for today. I really hope you enjoyed those practices and it's solving. Try to solve things about on your own, and if you want any support, you can send me an email or DM me. Or I will put the links on the description below. So thank you for watching, and bye bye.